All right. Hi, I'm Phil with Denny's River Carpentry, and today we're just taking a quick look at progress over at the Higgins house build. I'm still learning how to use the drone, so my camera's like all over the place. So we're looking at a couple of really old windows here. Um, we've got some new custom made windows there to replace a couple of missing windows. We've got all this tar paper you can see. Tar paper is such a great material. It's a classic material that still does a great job. It really breathes well, keeps the water out. And this is something you would see on similar structures. We're walking over to the new studio area. It's going to be a timber frame structure there. Um, I believe it's in the process or has been finished and it's just ready to be assembled. Eric Holm is the guy that did that. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how that turns out. We've got piles of concrete masonry units there in the bottom right hand corner. And the masons are on site now and they're building the chimney. They've got this like heated room in the basement. They're building a huge fireplace and they're going to do the best they can to make it look like it's original old brick. You can see on the roof there a couple of holes in the roof, and there are going to be two dormers. We saved, I think, four original dormers off the old structure. So we're going to get those up there. I love the view here, looking out over the water, surrounded by blueberry fields. Such a beautiful place. So thank you so much for hanging out, and we'll see you on the next one.